Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Western Union online profile, full guide step by step clearly. To register for a Western Union online profile, begin by navigating to the Western Union website. Once the page loads, locate and click on the Sign Up button. You will be presented with options for creating your account. Choose whether you want to register as an individual or a business. After selecting your account type, you'll need to enter your personal details. Fill in your first and last name as required. Next, provide your email address. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. You may then need to select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Following this, enter your phone number, ensuring it is accurate for verification. You will likely receive a verification code via SMS. Check your phone for the code and enter it on the website. Proceed by clicking the Continue button to move to the next step. You may be asked to provide additional personal information for security and compliance purposes. Fill in your address, date of birth, and any required identification information. Review all provided information for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, agree to Western Union's terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your new account. Check your inbox for the email from Western Union. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, your Western Union online profile is ready for use. Log in using your email and password to access your account. Explore the options available for sending money, tracking transfers, and managing your transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.